like that. Because he told them living shorter, they must suffer. Now I know this supposed to leave my man.
Ivie.
Follow me. I like 40 followers.
Ivie
Baby girl. You they watch it for Facebook that time?
Hello?
They
Can you
watch
tell me?
them where now?
Ma, can you tell me the story of Okeke? You know how Okeke they fuck for man.
Ivie can't go Italy.
Wait, I they come, baby girl, they come. Baby T, say what thing?
What if you're about to?
Ivie na mama shall na Ivie they swear for so. He said because they do something for years, I don't know the something for the woman ass.
You were not frustrated for life.
No, be say the woman not do anything. The woman not do anything. Now jealousy they worry also.
We're not beer philo.
Now jealousy they worry them.
You know we beer philo kwa. Ivie roba. Your children not big finish. No so with Ivie.
Oh my vie.
Ivie na ma size no vie baby bata.
God go bless you now. Una when they time for this woman, God go bless all of you now. God go bless you now. Una when they time for this woman, God go bless you now.
We Sharon talk bu na Sharon te we mu enogie. Wa visit lo dokpa. Wa visit lo dokpa nu gbe wa gbon Ivie e ki gbu e wa gbon. Nu de laptop yi. E laptop iwona. A laptop was a laptop.
bros. Attitude come here, attitude. If it's not view, they make up for TikTok. Accuse this woman so what you wanna know France? What you wanna what I mean Yore. Yoruba minamie. Out of 30, out of 40. Out of follow me. Everybody go try to get up pursue them komoto. Awa mbe bogbuya yani awa koke. You no go take go Nigeria again. You no go take go Nigeria na Europe and
Sharon Ogun gbivie ne Wowo Sharon
can talk me
Jeffrey, when I know this guy that time. This guy when they had the Benin movie self, what a guy now Jeffrey Abi. Jeffrey. I said you go get Ivie Bashawo. Ashawo. Ogwa send egi ave Nigeria eni ve Nigeria ya wa me euro to euro fo wunia He define no gay prick. He want fuck a no gay. You went no gay. Why you not fuck a yes, not true.
The first time when they go no gay ass. Your voice close with the first time when no gay when they don't fit do birthday. When they do birthday, they don't fuck her. You know fuck her. When you don't follow, if you follow that, you don't follow.
Abati mo ivie ni vie nyina ni me ya gbegbe mewa. Ama gbe vie ki. Ivie yo keke no kokomo, ala mi go bia na mi omo. Obia yi kokomo.
Pe na mi omo.
Obia we na the relationship. Ihu kokomo.
Your pay child benefit.
No be prick, you don't follow. No be prick, you don't follow.
Your pay child benefit of your
no prick, you don't follow. This one been a no husband for us. If fit I want kill Ivie. Now fit I want kill Ivie. Now fit life they look fit life.
If you see her for grand, very ugly girl. Ostra for you.
You see Belle,
wait. For Ostra, yeah. If you not take time, it go come out for this social media. No man married my video. No, if you need to fuck all of them for Ostra for you.
That one very nonsense person. Who get that recording? What am I from? Who get that recording?
Which one?
Who get that record?
Which one?
They talk.
Okay.
No, get that record.
You talk for this live video.
Who get that record?
You get that record for Facebook.
If you head, even them Mama Sharon Toto, I go say me just speak, me test cut on head decide that to talk bell agbo.
Confirm.
When I don't
that's what better for the full generation.
No so where are Monica where because Monica when once
You know
say you want me Monica beat anybody will feel Peter. See, Martin has something. See, I seen it like 30 people to follow me. That day when they carry Juju come, page and they see what Bado. When that man they swear for, when they challenge the man, when they quite doesn't enogie brother, enogie say, oh, tell me, oh. We don't watch for this street of Nigeria. That day when they swear that Juju, that day when they say one that Juju, when that need to not call they swear for ivie. When that need to call they swear for ivie, that as that matter hot rich, you come see now live ivie like carry swear. Who get that record? Fake when Saga update. Saga Europe gist after you don't get the record. Go and find that record called Europe gist. Una don't know na work. Saga update to Europe Saga. All of them don't know na work. As I talk, na supposed to go break all those record come. No be to record, no be na work. No be to give record, give good memory. Una there now they talk. I talk nobody don't come no break all those to come. I need that Bazelu. Man, you go meet man for your house, beat you, pursue you, come up for your house. Yeah, your wife. They beat you, they pursue you because I had to go bring a Europe gist. They don't forgive anybody. Like if you swear for, that's for no bad girl. Because you are not married to my view. You be gay. You are not a woman, you are not a lady, you are a dirty girl. Like they come out, they talk. Look your face, look the woman, whether you know old past the woman. If you Look your face. May you look Mama Sharon face.
If you're not bien fait le quoi. If you're the most time human being on earth, we're not bien no be akoko. Obela mi wo mo akoko. I di me wo vie ya gbegbe mo a. Ti vie ho a. If you're the highest evil no ragbona. Woman game mo. We're not bien filo quoi. Where do I have yourself on the social media? Mais même everybody listen here. If a platform where même on doit learn a platform where. If I know even where we're not be kuyavo. If you we're not be kuyavo. Wow, wow, when yo wa. When I yo wa. We're not cool. La bola we. What do I do down social media? Of here, oh yeah, nyawa. Oh yeah, nyawa. Oh, you shadow here talk buwa. Wa mi agbema wa. Ogbo ba hin agbuwa, ogbo ba hin agbuwa ota, wa ni popo hori. E pesi no repo ni.
Boko nya wa wi yan.
Oh yeah, nyawa. Egbe we egbe.
Boko nya wa mo bo wi yan. Boko nya wi yan.
Igbo fo gbuwa wa gbon.
O wa wi yan.
Ama wi yan mi ro pa.
Oma lost story.
Ati police go social media.
Oma lost story.
Ase yin
Awi gbani bo eni.
Ya ma mata no we.
Awi gbani wi. Ebo oze jigo ya no ne wi mi ono se no already na da megbe ewe ne ku ewe no fo o ni jore ya o ami do bo pa ni joni ma iyan ro emi ya o ni agba e de ya go ji e do pare no nya o ino o mi
agbon meyan ebi na gboya meyan ro agbon meyan every year who say a boy survey saloba derin ya
yes survey at all
a boy survey saloba derin ya anybody don't really we vote saloba derin iba bola wa gbe
ni best time bog gbe we dey no mic na mo bog gbin o mic no hin na o mic ya ku o mic na mo bog gbe eya ha ya ni ke ha
we na magi wa ya wina kwali wina no wa wina. What about better? But Facebook, you social media, you TikTok. Wamaya winner, gwali winner. In winner, Wamua. Amano here. What do I put Bohuona? When you shadow here, Buwana Bio. Agwema wa.
Only Marosha.
What it Bohuona? Anybody know you put up down, no, who you know, you put me a shadow. On a here now. You shadow on Masoe. Who do it? Who do it? If na gbon ma wa arun ota gbon if a bon la wa pe wa gbon
yo geju wo wa ona do awo bi jo ma bi yo geju wo wa na awo bi jo ma bi e mata na ya concerning zi o ma azo se ze cha ona azo se
e record na gwizi kedere ade izzy ma release izzy for no izzy we gere ifo oso down on Sharon.
Kakabo.
Me tamu when I sit down. Okay, Sharon, ye Sharon. Is it not deleted all the old record you are already for? Is a very smart girl. When no smart here.
No sharpie.
I want not smart now. Are you at school now? Is this smart? Me have well. I don't want to delete me and let Sharon. I'm going to forget Sharon. Agwemani. I want to read on that ya. Agwemani ya. Because of one year here ye. You are bola wa gbe wa gbon. Abi yo gwe. If you gwe.
We no get we no. Ija ni gwo. De ba wo han ija gbin agbo. Ba bi yan yi meje wo wa. Injia etia TV are
wa man winner I don't know ya to yari go gija ni je yari bai o man winner o bia no winner we ti be ya social media we o bia no we towers o bia no we gele we towers ye ti we live video o ma ti yan agun
we dey gbe apa ayi winner na do la wa wo ta o do me go ya live video
we o do me go we ya live video ah Udu arobi e ma yaro na gbona e tato ge o ikale kama
o won Italy na
Italy government pay Italy wo here pay bi go where ya wo pay ya except for all cavitas yes
everybody do for na ya everybody wa do for na in Italy because I back we na do Italy they back Italy ya gbo ma police re awa don go wa gbi ya no don na me gu ya re wo we no me na we jemi ba be France be outstanding ya yi any UK ya gbo ma ya re bolele any o say the na do ekiri ya do wa gi ya do we for na social media Italia
I mean, they don't talk about that record yesterday. That record now, this record now when
enogie call the chair. Enogie call the chair is yesterday. Say me you still go bring record come still play. That was cutting they bring any record come again.
Easy no get the talk process. After they talk now, eh? Now cover you see I say enogie no get they talk say enogie they drag. All this na foolish man be you dey drag person wey pikin die. Now only one that they talk about the boy now. You see when everybody talk about the boy when they want kill the boy. So una plan now to help Izzy kill this woman. You gonna say kill daughter. If they want to kill Izzy, what kill Sharon no far from Izzy hand. What kill Sharon no far from Izzy. No far.
Izzy dey aware. Izzy know
everything.
And that boy,
see,
that Sharon boy,
if Sharon fit talk that word there,
I suspect that boy.
By the grace of God there, more record go dey come out. More record go come out.
Fall out.
No why? I come this boy now the way only the first record we do here now.
May I tell you na depression I kill that girl. Na depression I kill that.
No be only depression.
And that baby father still join. No only depression. That baby father still join that Yahoo guy.
No be only depression.
You know like that boy never plus huh?
No be only depression. When they remove everything from the boy head now say if woman marry before, if woman marry, no be go your husband house. If woman born for if na woman wey dey marry husband and wife eh. If your wife born as a man, now your mama responsibility to go take care of her, not be mama. Now your mama dey come. Your mama, now dey come. If your mama comes, greet mama come greet will come out. Many women don't born for this Europe. As me be abroad, me don't shame papas. When my baby mama born, the woman will call bath pikin. You know now whether 4 days or 5 days. For them, carry on by itself. Any I take bath fan. Many of people for this room, any I take bath fan. Then they put the blame and say, "If mama no take off fan, if mama go store, if mama say person they say a friend." Many of them for this room not be my friend.
If the say Sharon not there, if the say mama Sharon not there, you
this idiot when you born, who bath fan? Now your mama bath fan. If you no reg baby, ivie, now you come bath your pikin. If your mama went there fire, now you come bath your pikin when you born. Who bath pikin for you? Who take off pikin for you?
All
the women wey no get mama for Europe. All the women wey no get mama for Europe, who dey bath them? All the women wey no now that one they are titi wey just see confused. Now that one dey go for hand. Men no go stop before. Men no go stop before. No be man give her belle. No be man give her belle. Na better say me woman come give the mama. Na better say me woman come give the mama. No so what? Atiti why you you go stop
Atiti is spending 31. Atiti is spending 31 years.
If they were confused. Now mama na come bath Nora. Now mama na come bath the twist mama na born. Na mama come bath for Europe.
When the twist give me
mama come bath the children for Europe.
When the children
for Europe.
Oh, now if you go bath there, if you go bath there, if you go bath there.
See all these confused people. So this one we don't depress for life. Let's forsake or kill una. Who come back pikin for una? Guys, me na follow una. See me like 30 followers. Guys, me na follow me. Na follow me.
Follow me. Sharon. Ivie Robokin.
Who come back ivie children? Atiti when you born for Europe, now your pack up bath. Abi na your mark up bath there. Iye ma take off here. Your man not take off. He did it. He got. Okay, my brother. if person pikin born, if person born, no fit tell your friend me carry food go give am.
Atiti umanala wa ya do ve security wala dia.
They no fit tell your friend me go carry, no fit tell your friend no fit carry food go give am. Now who carry food go give am for hospital? Who carry food go give am for hospital? You no go give am food. Atiti dey talk back and left. Atiti dey talk back and left.
Atiti la wa titi.
Jonwa. Is one no get wife for us. I'll dey 40 years. I'll dey 40 years. I no get wife for us. What you want make me don mumu reach like that? What you want make me don mumu? I go dey 40 years. I never get wife for us. At 40 years, I go dey cook for kitchen by myself. God forbid. 40 years old, I go dey cook for kitchen by myself. Which I want to enjoy life. And this is a break cocoa for Europe. And this is a break cocoa. They cook a yam pepper soup. Now yam pepper soup at they cook for SARS, yam pepper soup. If they call, when they call his wife, husband say me bring. If they call his baby mama, husband say me bring should they call for her. If they say that man not bring should they call for her, not be shame. Now that kind of attitude, I come and say talk to person. Now that kind of say bad mother. When I see attitude, I never see children for her for mother. Going to 10 years, now never see children for her.
No.
Attitude na photo. If they see your children photo. No, they don't even snap that they post. They don't even snap that they post attitude na photo. Photo not even they find your children. To photo. 2 women and 2 men don't buffer. You don't want to stay with you. Attitude. 2 women and don't buffer. You don't want to stay with you. Attitude. You the comment say person a bad mother. I want to if I want to gigolo.
Topolo, may I tell you, Atutina from Evoleka. From Evoleka. The band attitude for Evoleka. If for we create for Evoleka. The band attitude. Attitude that band with Evoleka. You are Bola Wegbe. Nous sakam avec boué. Everywhere they fight for this Europe. Everything they need for this Europe. This woman get everything. Everything where president balance of Europe. If this man want go America today, go America. If the man want go Canada today, he go Canada. If that man want go anywhere for this Europe, he go anywhere for this Europe. Now that one no be person that go dey trauma they give. No be una mate. No even near una. If no be say na the real pikin dey real collect so. So the waka cool. Now the real pikin dey collect so. That his brother this guy don't see bath. This what they call her? Izzy when I Izzy I don't want to be that foolish name. He don't see bath He don't see bath for that his brother head. That Okpamen watch that to for that. They watch to water for that one. That na Omodion. Okpamen na Omodion. Now what you Okpamen talk? Now what you Okpamen talk say? Imama this Imama no go stop. You know why? No, you know why?
If na Imama enemy you die now. Now for all your stairs. No one pay us rent.
Easy one me. Easy one me both for Okpamen before.
On the mother.
That Sharon senior brother, Izzy want me both for that guy. That guy don't want. Now be the devastation. Where is it they get for the family?
Ma, tell you, listen. See, a lot of secret go open. No. See, you watch Nollywood. You watch the Susan at that time.
Yes, now.
You dey watch the Susan at that time.
Yes.
That time when they watch the Susan, when they talk say the Genevieve. The Motala, then then you come marry your friend call the jealous of your husband. Your husband call the took buruke for back. That friend they'll call kill the woman. That friend call it marry the man, call the maltreat the man children.
Exactly.
You ever watch that kind of movie before?
Yeah, now you happen now.
Now what do you the apple so?
Yeah.
That's not it. You know what they talk and say this saga big pass what would they look? Everything they talk
this saga they come saga never open.
Everything I talk never come out. Now Nollywood movie, now easy just the art so. No easy one art Nollywood movie for real life. Easy one art Nollywood movie, you want art for real life. That is now what you the apple so. For easy for that patience mindset now, the day when call the ETA, the day when how they beef this woman. Now the day when this woman call and say, social they come, make the British children come. Why they follow people they drag the children? Your friend died, they give you children make you owe. They give you children make you owe. For that moment, the mother will not get itself. No matter where you get itself. Some mother when they pass out, they can't give you children make you owe for hospital carry go out. The mother can call you 3 days before the mother can call you say, so shall one come see the children. Carry children come, and they call the come home. Easy say me they come see for years. Me they come see the children for years. Because now if give the children to. Easy never born no. And then easy no get pikin no. Bros.
No, you don't get.
Easy no get pikin no. Easy what you Sharon should they do in your children no.
Yes, if I born one,
now what easy what to now? See, Miss God never tell us any for this talk now say he want use the children to do it like do he want use children to talk to his children. Is giving happy hand. But easy easy now they accuse easy and ivie and he can't connect they accuse go to say go to no one born. He want use another person pikin to do. He want use another person pikin to talk. He want Sharon pikin to talk to his pikin. No, now waiting now easy now easy plan be that one. This voice record there, it don't open a lot of things. You will get inner eye, only that voice record will come out for Sharon Matt. Before Sharon die, now person where Sharon the accused be that one. That is the man.
Yeah.
Like, Sharon they complain bitterly. Make the first person with that record there. I beg who bring that record come out I beg we need more because Sharon see confide in you. Sharon tell you many things. Don't believe that record. Sharon tell you many things. I beg if you be man, if you be woman, who release that voice record? We need more. We need more.
Because yeah, Sharon
probably Sharon don't tell you about this easy. Cause now there's no more to talk now. When Sharon phone, as me they talk, bro, this easy, the kind mad we get. Sharon phone, sit there with easy after 1 year. This easy mama quiet. This Sharon mama, it too quiet. I don't know. As me they talk now, easy no relate to Sharon in any way. Easy no relate to Sharon in any way. Sharon phone sit there with easy 1 year. Easy never go return the phone. So where are the contacts in the phone? Where are the contacts in the phone? Probably inside the phone. Because easy get all both the passport, easy know everything. Because they operate Facebook, then they operate in YouTube.
Yeah.
Bring YouTube, come. You not bring YouTube, come. YouTube don't monetize. Who they collect the YouTube money for 1 year? Who they collect the YouTube money? Who they run the YouTube? Nobody don't ask all those questions, no. How easy this man now with your friend they talk about your friend for more than easy and Sharon don't they pass more than 10 years. Easy and Sharon don't they for more than 10 years. Before Sharon they complain this man they give another person. You know what he don't tell this easy?
Many.
You go reach that festina, go reach all those he movie those reference. Then what tell me say easy never complain, Sharon no complain that man give them. Say they don't know about these things, but they accuse the mother. Nobody don't feel come out. But they go they post that. They go they post that. It no get cost Mama Sharon. It no get they post Sharon video for a war for TikTok. Go it no get TikTok now. He posted it for yesterday. Tell us say see easy and Sharon. See easy and Sharon. The time when easy and Sharon they take picture, like a picture, photo. Who take picture of you to take a kill tomorrow? Who take picture of you to take a kill tomorrow? You they post picture for reality life now. You they see the children they wrong. The children face the torment. The children face the torment. They torment easy. The children face the torment easy. Children face the torment easy. You know what see the children face. Easy and this boy, the time when Sharon and this boy they do things, easy and this boy see the fuck. Rosie, I tell you so. The time when Sharon they are alive, easy and this boy they fuck. Easy original plan be say, as Sharon don't die so. As Sharon don't die.
Marry that boy.
Make the mama you tell, make mama Sharon you tell Sharon say, make easy come up for your mama ass, make easy come that Sharon ass. Make the take care of the children for there.
Yeah.
You hear me so? Make take care of the children for there. Easy when fit that man say, make easy make fit that boy say make that boy go Nigeria embassy, Italian embassy for Nigeria. Me go tell you say get picky for this side. If that children deal with that Izzy can tell, he get where go reach, he get where go don't reach, maybe 1 year, 2 years. The full government don't know now he deal with. If you follow the grandmother, they drag the children.
Yes, now. You know,
The lucky now say the children don't deal with the lucky now, the lucky now say the children don't deal with the mother now. It's like say maybe the children spend like 3 years or 4 years for Izzy. I say they don't collect.
Yes, Italian go even release her for her.
They're going to give her. They'll say, so maybe you go the person for them, go to keep the receipt. As long as for 3 years, they take off, they're not happen to them. They'll say, you don't owe me your relax.
Yeah, where the mama
But then easy if you follow back, go do visa for that man. That man go rent us for Region Miller. Go by say fair rent us for Region Miller, do the things.
They will start with the bomb.
Get me so. Easy no Tori Sharon.
You know now.
100%. Nobody will fit tell me that one. As far as this man, except they will tell me say that voice on AI. They hear me so that voice, except say that voice na AI. First thing I did this TikTok. The first day when that man come out, why they not come out to say, you they come out, they talk, you will match our friend. But they say, my friend they do TikTok, my friend they do social media, my friend they do social media. I don't want to talk about my friend. My friend they do social media.
All those Festina.
Person will get YouTube page. Person will get YouTube page. Person will get Facebook page. And I say no like social media. But they defend him mother character.
Festina. Honestly, I know what
he brought down when he say poor for a mother property.
I want my Festina here. How many are somebody?
For why that time? See, for why that time? You get one woman, bro. Say for why this woman called die. The children when they fast, so they say part the same mama. Oh, yes, I mean so. This is what they talk so. Anybody with their area know this story what they talk so. Everybody with their area, you know this story what they talk so. Everybody will do sakwe. You know this story what they talk so. This woman Odo, this woman called they stay. The daughter the gas was out melu. The daughter the get ask was out melu.
Easy na wish, not be lie.
The list you brought, so the list is the story. The daughter gas was out melu. As the mama die like this, no be senior so go talk as they want to do burial.
Now you know, senior son now.
Senior daughter get children when they court. That woman get children when they court. They get me to mobilize boys. This man not get me to mobilize boys. He said, "We go bury mama for in-law house." Because if they bury the mama for in-law house, the 2 house, his grandmother built 2 house. In mama house now, complete beautiful. The mama get house. That is grandmama house. Now they give the grandmama house. You understand me? So in your mama house when they build, just as mother give the daughter land now, 100 by 100. 100 by 100. Grandmother build 100. Can't give the daughter that house, that one, but daughter don't build that finish. You know, a form of complete building for the woman die. If that man now bury his mother for that complete building, for that his mama house, that means I get the house. That means I get the house. Senior daughter now want follow. Daughter now want me to go bury mama for your house. You go follow your brother, drag that land, drag that house.
Yes.
For her. Bro, I say they should go for this matter.
Yeah, the one you send for the man.
They go carry the daughter go carry the body for Akugbe. Our area boys, that man be our you share my data for area. They go carry that the body from they go carry that dead body. We carry the body to daybreak. Boys, because they carry boys call they fight the man. They carry boys call they fight the man. I said they carry the body to daybreak for the burial. But when they want bury on Friday, they go carry come on Thursday because those one go carry on. No break when happen. This idiot Okpamen. So this boy when they ask Okpamen, so the ex will get for a mother because now if move West recognize people that they attitude they no get the list to. But when you are quarreling and when you are making peace, it's different. So people think that if they tell you say you be bad person when they quarry. But if not say to go tell say no tell you say now you be bad person, and when they get me.
Yeah.
If so children they argue with their parents. And maybe their part do the what's bad, or their part he disagree with them with can't way. No matter if disrespect my papa, this ivie dey cause ivie you know dey cause your papa. Ivie go fit tell me say never cause your papa once. Enogie no dey cause mama Nora. Enogie no dey cause mama Nora. Mama na dey cause enogie mama. But the test na because of quarry. One of them dey use the voice when the pikin use anger. If him mama carry that Okpamen come now, may Okpamen call the stay with her for house, may the people the say something for store now. He go say mama na be the best mother. Obe bibi, man we no wan work. Man we no wan work when they pour for mama property. Man we no wan work when they pour for mama property. Now that one Titi go they believe. That brother they bring mama down, they spoil mama name, they give all this idiot. They carry my mama to go they tell izzy go to trouble they give the enogie. All this brothers that they believe. Don't priest he don't put up on himself say Mama Sharon na bad man. Mama Sharon na bad man. If he can't talk, many of them they cost na papa. Many of them they cost na mama. Okay, all of them will be saying na ma go maybe na ma go do na. So most of them they cut call for na my ear. Mean if na don't say tobacco call, they'll cut take that word. Now what they do this woman now? How you go take if pikin words when pikin say if pikin no want do what mama wants. If pikin no want do what mama wants, pikin no want do you know want follow mama way. You want be liability. You want be mommy boy. Almost 50 years. Almost 40 years old man want be mommy boys. For Nigeria, man when they carry Europe since how many years ago? You fair call Europe, you mumu, they deport your master go carry you come back. You not see you so settle down, you not get wife for us, nothing. That women not get wife for us, you not pay for us rent. Mama say they give her money. Mama say they give her money, me take go the rent us. Who me walk cry, go meet me, give me money, take go rent us. Who me walk cry, go meet me, go give me money, to pay for us rent. As that man see be now, that Okpamen now, the anger of Okpamen now. Me they all give a Sharon ask me to stay. Cause Sharon no born. Bad brother. Me they give a Sharon ask. Me stay Sharon ask. Now what that one you dey find now? If mama you call and say why since you might pay ego wa since you might pay wa what do mo wa now? Since you might pay ego wa what do mo wa now? Like say mama tell her like that now if I be best mother. See your life. Your sister buy house, you know fit buy your own house. Your sister fit buy house, you know fit buy your own house. Now you dey pour for your sister property now. You dey pour for your sister property. You don't go show your sister enemy kill your sister finish. Also the name of friendship. Now this record now Nigeria. Izzy say this boy is a nice boy. Izzy say na Izzy mama. I say Izzy say na Sharon mama na eki Sharon. Izzy say Sharon mama maltreat Sharon. Say na mama na keep Sharon for us. Izzy go tell me say Sharon never complain about this boy give her. Izzy, wetin you dey do with this boy? Which connection Izzy get with this boy? This particular boy wey come out so which connection Izzy call different the boyfriend? Izzy never come and call talk since then. Izzy never come and call talk since then. As Izzy say this idiot in this work call enogie, he himself call enogie. Don't know say it's a plan work. To show you say is a total plan work. Now work with they plan all these things with a we. They plan this thing with a we. They plan all these things. They plan now. Not be coincidence. Not be coincidence say that boy come and call talk. Not be coincidence. Just to pour the blame for the woman head. Make the woman head kill una. Make the woman head kill una. This one will not fit take care of children. If you will not fit take care of children, I been a mama when she let the pack, and no get when she let the eat shit. See person where they go they talk because of TikTok. Guy, me not follow this my account. Me not follow me. I beg. Me not follow me. Everything where is they do is they show say easy no 100%. No tiki Sharon. He jealous his friend, jealous that he die. Who Sharon don't see die so? Sharon don't see die so. Sharon don't see die so. Izzy say jealous am. No. You go be may you be like moving. May you be like moving out and say come carry children. Well, if you can't hear this talk, we want to move. Easy. I been na so easy. Na so it very very easy. So as this woman dey alive now say na you the children dey with. Wetin una go call the woman? Wetin una go call the woman? Una member die. One idiot they call one foolish boy when he got confused for life. They drag the woman. None of them don't come and condemn the art. Easy the first slow person. At least easy doesn't call enogie. I be not be easy voice be that one. That voice when they call enogie, when they talk say Charlotte last say mama na bad, the woman a bad woman. That voice don't be easy voice. I never see that voice. Una never see that voice. Never see that voice. When I tell them say Benin there be betrayers. You put your trust on Benin and finish, go fuck you up. And when me say like that, they say that they fuck up. They don't know brother, no sister. See, go follow Benin and do community matter. I tell them don't fight for that community finish. You know they'll tell you. Oh where ivie omoruyi. They'll say omoruyi. They'll sideline you. Go rich. If they do party, maybe they do party. They key goat. You know pepper soup. Do you just say omoruyi no omoruyi. No, not to be omoruyi. Una when they be not to be omoruyi. Anywhere for them say na omoruyi, just run no. Just run. No level for you. They don't sideline you. They be racist. They racist themselves die. As you saw this, but they racist themselves die. Umegba niyan. Very biased and anywhere people, anywhere belle face. If they all call you say omoruyi, you don't finish. They don't give you anything. You see, if you want to go community, now you fight. They say they want share land. They don't come one, you say omoruyi no. They say omoruyi no. They don't give you anything. They just sideline you throw it or raise you throw away. As they sit there. Now what you the happen to the soul? This buffalo, this one do breast like blow. Someone do that when breast make beam. So when you if you want for that say just pour naturally. If you want boys they beat up and down at if you age for Europe, they say most ivie. If you want they beat up and down, if you will be product of domestic, if you will be product of domestic, if you want they beat see if you they cry follow prick like small pikin. If you they cry follow prick like small pikin. This was now this also. If they observe here. Nobody will not know this idiot. Nobody will not know this idiot ivie. Nobody will not know him. Now so prick they cry follow so prick. Now prick make ivie confused for Europe. All you don't swear follow men. As they see this idiot so. As they see this idiot if you no fit buy na Alibaba ivie the other Alibaba. Ali Express. If you na grand ambassador to Ali Express. Now ambassador you dey just see for ambassador to Ali Express. Now Ali Express for the see via Ali Express. You can never see any originality for everybody. If na lie, may post the video. Hear me so you no go fit see any originality for everybody. Now made as if you see be like this, na me say shopping money. As you all be like this so na me na me so you also shetron. Go reach this age where if you so message shopping money. So we are there fully so. This is when they come and they up like saying that better you might be so. This one when they come out, they online videos like say if yes if I pour you spit, people see they come out they talk. People see they come out they talk. If yes they come out they talk. Oh ya obwevie. Omoruyi baba. Omoruyi baba. Now Europe you will die, now Europe will bury you put. Why they can't go Nigeria? If mama can't go Nigeria. Like say mama no get your ass now. They will say na makla because of us. Wagbe. Now I'm going to go dash the ass. Me now you they cry. Me how they cry for other person property. our yo wa. I very frustrated. Then that one they call Queen Love. That one no you get direction. That one your mad person. That Queen Love, that one your mad person. That one no know your face for life. That one no you know where Queen Love no you know where your face for life. Anywhere believe in that one. I don't know what he is going to do that one. That one you even one person. Now spirit who they watch down spirit. Spirit now they watch down one. That one just confused. That one total confused. No prick for us. All these women, I don't know how they look now. I don't know how they look like. Once you do 40 years, once you do close 40, no man marry you. Now you be wayward woman. No your joke. You hear me so? So all these ones are just wayward. All these are wayward women. Now wayward bunch of wayward women. No man go see now condition. Condition is they focus on condition. Now condition they say they fuck ivie condition. Man they give ivie condition to fuck ivie. You give her condition. You dey hear on one condition. I don't want my wife to hear. Sonia, I'm telling you the truth. Oh, this is Europe life. This is Europe life. Now condition they focus on condition. You will condition that pussy. Now Europe now this when they condition. Before I fuck you, first give me money. Then they condition them. No be say man, no be say to tell the hungry say fuck on this one no. To tell the hungry man they fuck on this one no, they give the condition. I just get small straight. Hey, come now, I go pay. Come now, worry. Many of them, if you ask you come, I'll give you now. You promise you'll give me. Oh. No, what I'll give down a small thing now. Now, because they focus on also they pay for men till they fuck them. They ivie, all this says so they pay for men to tell they fuck them. They make I see any money for the hand. Now make you know they see any money, yeah? You don't see any money for the hand. Now prick, now soup, now black soup. Also they cook, tell they press man. Now food they cook, they buy clothes for men. Family they suffer. Family they suffer. But if they sit there now, if you see that put one air where they use for 355 years, put one dirty air for head, you will see there be better people. You they look at there be better people, there be yahoo people that you see so yahoo. He not there anywhere. As you just see there, you just see the finish. As you just see the so you just see the finish. Nothing remain, nothing come, nothing go.
Kabolo want to we laugh. Kabolo have all.
Brother, I greet you. Okay. You know say get to the rich, You they will pay to fuck him. Bros, let me tell you something. If you dare 40 years, if you dare 40 years, any girl with above 18, you feel fuck him.
Yeah.
Publicly.
Yeah, okay.
Publicly.
Okay.
Can you marry and put for us? Can you marry and put for us?
Okay. Okay.
Then
Polo.
hello,
bro. I go la.
Busy.
Correct.
Your mood.
Okay, I don't move. Oh yeah.
Hear me say King B.
I dey hear you.
He get you 40 years old man. Then you see 18 or 19 years old woman. You go marry and pay bride price, will they born for you for us.
Okay.
Then a woman of 40 years. If they catch you with a boy of 18 years, now pedophile you be.
Na pedophile, yeah.
You they do an ad. If you hear say woman senior you for 1 year, you go they do an the ad.
Yeah.
You hear me so? It's very, very difficult to see. It's very difficult to see man will go marry woman with senior now.
Okay, no true. That one not true.
So all these people like the ivie now, and ivie now is for 40 years old.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
I dey hear you.
You as a 40 years old man, you are supposed to be set. You just settle down yourself
Exactly.
with wife and kids at home.
Exactly.
40 something.
Okay.
You don't get wife and children for us. Once you don't pass that, you say you go 50, you don't get wife for us. Now attitude you be.
Exactly.
You be attitude.
You hide yourself now.
You don't come on. So now, if like 1,040 men, 1,040 years old men, they want city. Eh? And what has on 40 years old women did the same city. That what has on 40 years old men so. That 40 years old man so maybe 1,000 so. Eh? Like 900 go be married men for us with wife at home.
Yeah.
Why 100 go remain? Why out of that 40 years, I'm talking about women who don't above 40 years.
Okay.
Before you see women when they above 40 when never marry, it they hard. All the get husband for us.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Yeah.
like 40 years when they 40 years. Like let me say both the old of born when never see born when never marry. You go be like maybe like 200. 800 don't marry. Girls man for us. You hear me so? So automatically what I'm trying to say be say now you will be married man, so now you go see the fuck if you will be 40 years.
For you?
Because I
say for you.
Or maybe don't but finish. No serious boy, no serious, you know yourself. No serious boy will go they carry no serious boy of 32 years, 30 years when one go marry woman 40 years for us.
No.
If you the fuck and mama you the fuck, nobody will marry mama for us.
Exactly.
As me be now, if I want fuck, now get when no one born. Or get when no one born, and then me go the fuck.
Exactly.
Come in no one born, no be by born, we say the fuck.
Not true.
No they fuck to support each other. If you na fuck to support, now if you be.
Fuck to support.
Fuck to support. People like the Quilona, fuck to support. I fuck you, support me to take care of my wife and my children for us. You bet it to give my children for us. Because you know that I'm married man. Based on you know get man, you know see man will go fuck you. Bro, you know I guess you know they understand my explanation.
I don't hear you, I don't understand you. I don't understand
this word won't dinner, eh? See, men we don't marry. Women many pass men.
Yeah.
Women many pass men. Minus the other age, like other age baby girls. If you go party, if they carry children, call them female and male, can't the one with the many pass, small children.
Yeah.
Now female they produce the pass.
Exactly.
So even though you get two wives, even though the men with this world now get two wives, women will still remain.
Not true.
You understand me? So inside that women will remain now. Who you as a man who doesn't marry for us, you'll see the select by choice to fuck the ones who will remain.
Exactly.
Because you won't get girlfriend, don't get girlfriend for his ass. We don't want shit.
Okay.
Who they want this shit? Man, all the one we want this shit with, women will still remain. So all these women need men to fuck them. Who are they? They are ivie.
If you to like prick.
If you work out just a virgin and say this girl never this virgin, and you see girl when they not this virgin, you won't marry. Who you go marry?
I don't want to never this virgin now.
Okay. So what do you mean they tell you now? Be say if you now by the grace of God say if you don't get permanent boyfriend, because if you permanent boyfriend is looking for wife to marry.
Yeah.
I cannot be a permanent boyfriend to Ivie, because he go spend my life. Now there's this many boys life be that one.
Okay. Exactly.
Get when you know say you no go born for you. I get when you know say you no go born for. 12 now go the friend. You will delay or you go the old they go. You might go the old they go. Only luck when some guys they not fair born. Only luck when they get say they not fair born for life at all. No man, if you anything marriage don't offer for if you can never see man will go put money for your head.
Good. I sound like that.
What I'm saying is that not say they bring her down. Because if is 40 years.
Yeah. She don't reach menopause.
Before you see 40, you see any 40 years old man you go see now. Is other it be a married man or a man with not born finish when no one born.
Yeah.
You hear me so? I no see no boy, no boy of 32 years, no boy of 33 years go carry person like Ivie because you want produce, you want born. You want marry.
Exactly.
If you don't born 3 children, if you don't want marry. Sorry. If you don't get 3 children, don't want marry. So who if you want friend? Other a friend person husband or a friend person baby papa when no one see born.
Exactly.
Let me tell you now fuck by help. You must respect if you see my wife call her mama for outside. You must depend on give my children. I think they say, you get come up and give my children, you give me cause I dey fuck to help you.
Okay.
Come here no day. Now the frustration I had all this on body, the frustration I fought by help. That's why since when you leave that man, I never no man don't man happen for us. Are you ready to be a second wife or third wife to any man? They look they say like classic women. They don't want to be a second wife. You hear me so bros? All this one go say, man, all this one they talk say, I don't want born for man without a born. I don't feel marry man without a born. All they go be like ivie for future.
Exactly.
Before you see man, you wait all the day 40 years. You are if you are a 40 years old woman, you are expected to get like 45 to 50 years old man.
Okay.
Are you getting me? You follow my teaching? You get my teaching? So now 45 to 50 years old man when over born, it's a full of 40.
Exactly.
Are you get me so?
I get you.
Log money laugh. 45, 50 years old man when over born is a full of 40.
It's full of 40, yeah, not true.
So you as a 40 years old woman now, you are not going for 20 years old boy. Because no man say 20 years old boy never born. No man say 32 years old boy never born. No man say 29 years old boy they will never born many. But they don't go for you when be 40. If they don't go for you na gigolo, you go be gigolo. You go be like Sharon Okpamen papa na gigolo. Na gigolo when you go carry, when you go the batteries for, when you go the batteries are for. Fuck by help.
Okay, I understand you, brother.
You hear me so? Babe, I want somebody go give my mouth. You don't get that you no go send cause you need that to fuck you. Just to like now the blood and the sperm they give you. Now you they pay for those things.
Exactly.
So that this kind of one I go come out now because they address issue.
I just tire. I tire.
That's man will be say at your 40 years, you know if you keep man for your ass. The man will you born for, you cut us say the man an old man. The man will go for the man will pull you for ass. The man will pull you for ass. You can't that man come for Italy lodge for the same city where the man dey. For your ass go to meet her for hotel.
The people where they listen to Ivie are frustrated people.
Because the shame when the matter don't cast. That I want use what do be name? Okeke promise Ivie marriage. For I'm telling you the reality I tell you so. Not that say Okeke was in the camp then. That Okeke dey Treviso close to Padova.
Okay.
All those areas. No, Okeke did the day camp. The day camp. That big camp for those region.
Okay.
Okeke based on say they do MC for Nigeria. Okeke when Okeke open Facebook, they present for Facebook, they speak Bini. They thought they teach how to speak Bini. All those women when men don't feel die for the head. All those women don't pursue men. All of them call the study because they call the meter. That's why they take Ivie enter WhatsApp. That's why if you take buy ticket, if you take my so. That's why if you take buy ticket. That's why if you take buy ticket. Carry Okeke go lodge for hotel. Carry laptop give Okeke. Carry 5,000 give Okeke. Okeke say go marry am. For a few man now, you will not leave the man, go marry Okeke.
Yeah.
You can't give the man tutu. You not gonna give it the man. You not gonna give the man tutu. They do again. So also say Okeke don't promise. I say if you leave the man, you come marry am. And Okeke take camp.
Okay.
Okeke tell Ivie say nothing will come Europe. Because they don't say not to speak language. They do MC. They wear all those things. They go party. They form a big boy. No say na emergency camp na every day. No say na emergency camp na every day. This idiot now when they talk this one so. Now so Okeke, now so as matter call cars, he don't leave man. He don't come and go rent one room. They don't say don't carry to go give on that person now. You know the fear now if the man fuck, maybe pikin no go die or maybe something no go happen. You know they give the man to again. Because the man old person, say they force him, the man force him, take advantage of him. You can't pack come out. He poor for Okeke oh. You can't pack come out. You can't go rent one room. When person say Okeke no go give a turn up again. Okeke no go give a turn up again. He can't go meet the Murphy. Say see what the person they do. Now the Murphy cast say we are if you feel where you want though. If you are. That's why you matter take cast to. Now so this idiot take come up for. Now so this idiot take come up for marriage. The next thing, he carry my go court. He carry my go court say he want take custody of the children.
Of the children, yeah.
The man say Ivie is not capable to take off his children. He breast a male child for them matter, male child, male children. Now they talk so. The man say Ivie is not capable because Ivie go fit sugar. Ivie only. If Ivie only, if you fuck your pikin. You know, let's never know that this already wayward. Now make can. If I know that this already wayward, I say if Ivie only go fit fuck your pikin. If you never put the fuck your pikin self. Video, bitch, it get up that time when you the kiss pikin now.
Hi.
If you fuck your pikin, if you fuck your pikin, not be saying I'm mad. Let's even know how this one take confused. Now, if you go tell the month by yourself, oh, after if you don't leave that man, based on say they don't promise if you marriage. Based on say they don't promise if you marriage. Because they don't promise if you marriage. Now so if you take come on go to one room. Now so this will lose us mass. And they go. If you present the evidence, the man present your own evidence. The way if you take smoke igbo, the way if you take smoke all those things, the man presents everything. Now they collect children for a hand. Now they give the man. You hear me so? Now the way if you take come out for marriage, you lose children. I tell you so 3 children. And they give if you take a garden. If you want to pick a guy, they can call guiding. You know what I tell you so? Now guys they carry children they call go to see if you guiding. This if you want to talk so the only woman will be say they carry children for your hand. They carry children for your hand, give man. The only woman when they carry children, if you get better character and you get good reputation for that city, they'll collect children for your give man.
No.
No, say the children is deja in the hands of Ivie.
Now
this one that they cost person mama. This one.
Now wow.
Bros, it's story of enogie. The first day when all of them were doing live video. Enogie they find if fine boy. That time looking at see June. Enogie they wear a beret, they wear the cloth. You know, I say they for gamma. If you're the 4 for a cause, that's they speak Bini. I swear to God, that's they speak Bini. That's why the movie say what do marriage you. He want do a birthday. He be like wife birthday. That's why you invite all the Facebook people, all the precious men, all the stolens. Just I take do my birthday that day when everybody take call down. You hear me so? That's all they take go the movie also. That I know that the movie I know go father. That time the movie I know go father. That's all of the go. And they reach the movie house now. They don't do party finish. If you no fit rent apartment, you no fit rent 1 room hotel or apartment. If you no fit rent apartment or may book apartment or may rent 1 room, if you no rent, now the movie house. And they put the here I know they put for grad. The movie na see man na your wife na they inside the room. You should have the room. Ivie and no get dey bed. Ivie first dey share. Before when they put for ground for parlor. If you say a share too small for he go sleep with a enogie for that enogie never born no. You go sleep with enogie with that bed. If they begin to do, they look back at the car, begin to do what's no clear. They do me no. The man don't know say something the ground no clear. Now if begin to say, enogie ya mweko n'ivie, enogie ya mweko n'ivie.
Okay.
Now what that matter say comments. When the move because the way they laugh, the way they talk, na man na. You wear this ass. Now if come and say, enogie, no go give Ivie belle o.
Yeah.
If I'm my way back, the next year, the month this the month the company my wife coco palo. If you they do check. You be like when you go for Benin go village that time. What those guys say they use let's say D-grand. If you big figure it scatter every year. What is the manora? If you don't, all you to do don't make me. All you to do soak water. If you to do soak water, don't make me. You know, make ton. It be like say they dry dog meat. If you to be like wait they dry, you don't say for a dry dog meat. Eh, bros? You don't say for a dry dog meat.
And they hear
If you
you.
to they drop water like dog meat, they make ton. When you go talk for the water, make ten. When you go talk for the water, make ten. If you to look at the tino, if you to look at the tino. You no get a bad guy na. A pass it that for palo. You know fit for palo. Now you no be say you want go peace. As you no go between as you no go come say you want go peace. If you just come up for say you want go peace. Now you must tell them go inside. If you must say they go inside a room because you know say them go fuck. They no go fuck inside a bed. What you dey so dem no go meet the night as the people dey go see and say he no get the wipe ivie dogging for bedroom. This this dirty pig so. This dirty pig now when see the talk oh. Na so you no go take fuck ivie for a bedroom. I'm talking about 2018.
Kai.
Na so ivie na so ivie take fuck. Na so the mo fit you no go take fuck ivie. When the mo fit call the get beef with when the mo call the when ivie call the get when the mo fit call the get beef with ivie. When the mo fit take go arrest enogie mama. That matter when the mo fit arrest enogie mama. That is how enogie mama video so. If you call take side, now they crazy. You when enogie fuck for my bedroom.
Okay.
This year one no. For that one at that time, the Murphy platform was reality reality show.
Yeah.
Metros that follow up. This idiot now. Edo reality show was booming.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it okay?
I know that show.
Edo reality show was moving. The Murphy now have at that time the Murphy they fight for human trafficking must stop.
Yeah.
Human trafficking and shetro. Human trafficking and shetro. You hear me so? And the Murphy go open. And don't go open a WhatsApp group. Make up in make fans. You hear me so? Make up in make fans. He was a member of that WhatsApp group. And Obazelu was the Murphy I think Erowa, father of the ass.
Yeah.
That one they speak Bini. Be this. You hear me now? I call it on my phone. Now they hear me. Guys, now they hear me. Comment section, now they hear me. Guys, me na power tap for me, na power tap. Now they hear me. I need to call this person for this time. I call it on my phone. Okay, so they hear me. Now so Obazelu was Erowa. Who be this one now? Allez, quoi? 3, 4, 4. Which kind of number be this one? Guys, I need 30 people to follow me. I need 30 people to follow me. I need 30 people to follow me. I follow this my account. I've been there for remove this restriction where they restrict me. Yeah, I need 30 people to follow me. 30 people. Later, I'll go play like 3 game. Now you come now you even at power type but win. Who be that? Who be that for which one? Who be that for yeah? Okay, 60 followers. Followers, Cody.
When I put up for camera, means they see me. What it concern you?
Oga Muti. Yeah, man.
What it concern you?
Who Egbewa? You dey craze? No, still one place. This drucker. See, you don't for you attitude. I be respect you don't. Now play one question. Play for this TikTok now. Who you dey shout for? Okay, no, listen. Now further you want shout for this TikTok attitude. When I cook on you want what? When I cook on you want what? TikTok night attitude. Eh? You want me to more suffer for your effort this TikTok? You don't stay one place. You don't stay one place. Okay, you dey cost one old man. See, now never even start they cost you now. I want how they cost you now. I want how they fall your hand. Now, make your picky age me first fall your hand first. Make your picky age me first fall your hand for this TikTok before you get sense. As make you go marry. Now, koji they worry you, epa. Epa na koji they worry you, koji. Now, koji you no go ask it through. You no go ask it through. What epa it through see. My president uncle. You no go ask it through. What it through see for this TikTok. Eh? Na koji na marshal na put koji for your body. Na marshal na put koji for your body attitude. Na marshal na put koji for your body. I how they cost you now. I want how they cost you now. Whether they prepare you say you want put up for camera. You want put up for camera. Now so small children that they play. This will not be Facebook time. This one not be Facebook time with day. Now not be Facebook time. Not be with day. The one that they do beleku for Facebook. When they do beleku, when they follow truth. Now shadow, picking the beat your mama. You say that the picking you go follow. I'm how they talk now. The Bible say they swear good for you now, but not they hurt you. But you they talk about the woman. You first cause the woman yesterday for yesterday. You say you no cause her. You first cause the woman day for yesterday. You say you no cause her. The woman not do you anything. This woman not do you anything now. I'm how they cause you now. I'm how they cause now. Person wey lost in pikin. This when this they play record now. That record no concern you. Abi, that record no concern you, but your brother they hurt you now. Do you want to do nonsense? Na craze come for Facebook. Na TikTok na call craze come now. The one that spread Facebook, curse na palace, curse everybody. Boy, people wey no near una, curse all of them. Now that's the kind of cut TikTok. Now disgrace now go carry for this TikTok. Cause you know why? Many young blood dey. Many young blood we did this. Na come now. Men are coming and they receive free insult. And no get no put body. Now you walk up put body. C'est na Fravito. And no get the road they go now. See, even as yesterday, no get for not drop better like the mumu. That record when they play, that record no matter where. If they give you juju paper now, Titi. If a marshal give you juju paper, say that thing when they talk, say now so you no carry for go give pikin for hospital. Now so you know he say he won't go store. Now so he say children they cry. If they give you paper, you feel swear. If say you go put earring yansh, maybe they put your face in earring yansh, maybe they do soapy epa. Epa always soapy. Epa they do soapy. Too much of koji no good. Too much of koji no good. At your age now, you're supposed to be talking about marry. I want to settle that for Europe. Me no go to eat okra soup. Me no go to eat okra soup. Or me no go to eat also pepper soup. Nyam pepper soup. Na TikTok matter na I owe you. TikTok matter na I owe una. Una go see truth. Like some people they talk truth self. Nobody will talk to them. Like all these people they talk truth. If you see where truth they, no sentiment. If you see where truth, they talk the truth. Somebody girlfriend. Somebody girlfriend. Not be today person. See, Sharon will talk about that record say, yeah. Sharon say if Sharon say he don't know whether not because of the frustration. He waited this way they make her they pass through. When I make her he go to operation, he don't even know. Is that no Sharon voice? You tell Sharon talk say like say Sharon talk for that record say what mama they do and I make her go operation. Easy for that brother record come as since. Una again when Sharon talk say na because wetin dey pass through for him mother and I make I go. He say wetin dey pass through for that brain and a brain no matter titi. That brain matter no concern you. That matter no concern you. Now mama Sharon matter na hold you. When in matter ni which truth you see for that the matter now? Which truth you see for inside? If they say you can't talk with Kish Sharon, you fit talk eh? If they talk with say me you come and make talk with Kish Sharon, you fit talk and you fit face juju to say na your mother kill her. Eh? All these old men will not get sense. All these so-called old men will not get sense. If they tell you say me you come point for juju, me you swear say na Sharon, the way you dey talk this morning now. When you dey talk this morning, they say me you come point for juju. If they say me you come point for juju, me you swear. Okay, today we need to see. You don't too much. Today we need to see the thing when they do since how many days they come. If they tell you say me you come face juju, me you swear. Say if everything when they talk about this mama Sharon now, say na truth. You go feel swear nah, but many of them get papa, get mama. But see what they do other person will lost the pikin. For a person to take off your child now, your grandchildren now, na crime. Okay, you not take off your pikin for Europe. Your papa dey Europe, your mama dey Europe. When take care of you. Epa, we make a beer. Epa, you know what born for Europe. When you born for Europe, now your mama can take care of your wife. Now your wife, the woman when born for you, now your mama can take care of her. Now your mama can take care of her. You know what born for Europe. The woman when born for you, now your family member can take care of her for Europe. Why you not die? Why you not die? Why you not die? If na Sharon mama na not take care of Sharon, we make Sharon die. Why the one when born for you when mama not die? Why you not die? Una go see truth, una go dey burn am. Una no fit start framework. Okay now, because from Victor they talk say this thing now when they do the woman no good. Now automatically the woman are your enemy. Now insult all of them go dey take for our hand. Insult. Now big insult. Now go dey see for our hand. As I said, I don't fit stand as men. We go dey settle matter. As I fit I no fit stand as men. We go dey settle matter. Say na bias na what they bias na rubbish na what they do. Una go back to na Facebook. Una go back to na Facebook. Go dey move for na Facebook. We no need na for this TikTok. We no need na for this TikTok. Men I go do fasting na prayer. Children do fasting na prayer for Benin. It don't finish. Until you never reach 50 years. You never reach to lead prayer. Open your platform say, a papa say me na do fasting na prayer. We're in the room. We're in the room there though. You know if you pray for Benin, you know if you pray for Benin people, for Europe, you know if you pray for, you never reach to carry cola. If you tell them it's supposed to be your kaigbe. Until you never supposed to be your kaigbe for this room, you're never supposed to be your kaigbe. Man when they run meat for settlement. Man when they run meat for settlement, you never reach that stage. But see the way na the bare matter. See the way na the corner matter. Now what you Okpamen no see get wife for Europe as his age. Pikin want to stay with mama for us. Me na tell Okpamen say what your mama do you? This attitude na your papa carry you call you, na your mama carry you come. Me na ask Okpamen say what your mama do you? What your mama? What be the offense of your mother? When that boy na go dey sell record, na the boy sell record come give you. The boy call you say mama dey maltreat am. Me na ask her say, what do you want for your mother or abiomo or mo ibionwan? No be so Benin talk am. Na we be Benin. Abiomo or mo ibionwan. Wetin Sharon, wetin Okpamen don do for your mama? Wetin Okpamen don do for your mama? No be say you carry your pikin call you, me your pikin call help you. No be say you carry your pikin call you, me your pikin call help you. Abi, no be say to carry pikin call you, no me pikin call help you. Why they trade pikin? Why they trade pikin? Why they trade pikin? No be say me pikin come first train you for old age. That Okpamen na nobody should take off him mama. Okpamen na 2 years for Europe. Okpamen na 3 years for Europe. Cause you say na Okpamen, you say Okpamen tell you say him mama na bad woman. You never even call the woman. You know here for the woman. Even though this record will come back now. Thank God say Sharon no put play for him mama head. Now for your kid, the woman for that, maybe the woman for that depression since yesterday. Thank God say Sharon mama, Sharon no make sure mama. Oh God, you for put our face. You for put our face. They say now easy matter for the yesterday Sharon mama na bad woman. Now easy math now for the yesterday Sharon mama na bad woman. But we don't hear for Sharon math now. We don't hear if easy get any record. If easy get any record when Sharon come to complain mama they give easy. Make easy bring her come out. No be easy Sharon for day with. No be easy Sharon for day with. No be easy no be mumu goat na enogie be mumu. Enogie na be black goat. I no be goat. That's why they crazy. I be bird. I no be goat. Na enogie be goat. Go meet enogie. Me go tell us na mumu goat. You are a bastard. You hear me? So you be bastard. I be joy. Oh young man. Oh yeah you are. See this one. They never have cost now. They never have Iboyo the hot. Iboyo the hot. But since morning they craze for live video. Since morning they drop up on that for live video. Carry one queen we don't frustrate. Queen we don't depressed. Queen and Titi me no depressed pass. As I say, I no run for this matter, Now free insult now go dey carry free insult. We will use this to talk, No you mention na one saga. Mention no even tell me say my arrest. Men I hear the concern. Now see, nobody they settle this matter. Name is get the rest. Name mention efforts. No, no bargain. Then they bargain with us. They bargain with us. We must see who kill Sharon. We must see who kill her. If I never confess, I no go get peace. Now every day, Sharon don't talk to Mohbad. If I never know me, I know now. She baby papa don't run now. Enogie is not left alone. Now, how can rescue Enogie? Wa gbe o. It don't want down. Now me want to shake body for. Now me frustrated for Europe. Now me frustrated for you, Abi. Na me because of a problem. Na me because of a problem. Am I this one get picture where we asu? Where calm down. See, question we supposed to dey ask my people. Where that voice for comments? More voice are in that place. Now what never know. Sharon now easy na the rock kitty. Easy the rock kata. Easy the rock kitty. Now the mama Nora. This one way confused for life. This one way don't confused for life. And the Don Priest and the Don Priest and now they want back Sharon easy up. Now they want back easy up. Wow, fiawu. Now I go meet you now. I go meet you now. No retreat, no surrender. We mad. Hear me so this is a fire to fire. We your them